what do we have here now? We have a sum of money invested at compound interest doubles itself in 4 years, interest payable annually. In how much time will it become? 8 times. So we have A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to power n. So according to question, the money doubles itself. So A is equal to 2P, right? The money doubles itself. So we have 2P is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100. N here is equal to 4 years raised to power 4. So we have 2P upon P is equal to 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power 4, which gives 1 plus R upon 100 is equal to 2 raised to power 1 by 4. Am I right? Now we come up to the other part of the equation, other part of the question, which says in how much time will this money become 8 times. So 8 times it means A is equal to 8 times P. Am I right? So if A is equal to 8 times P, we have 8P is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to power n. We have to find out the time here, so n is also unknown. Now we have 8P upon P is equal to 1 plus R by 100 raised to power n, which means 8 is equal to 1 plus R by 100 raised to power n. Now we have, what do we do here now is that we put 1 plus R by 100, we know the value is equal to 2 raised to power 1 by 4, am I right? Yeah. So we have 8 raised to power 1 by n is equal to 2 raised to power 1 by 4. Now we know 2 cube is equal to 8. So what do we do here is we put 2 raised to power 3 by n is equal to 2 raised to power 1 by 4. So according to this equation, 3 by n is equal to 1 by 4, which means taking this to this side and this to this side, we have n is equal to 3 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 12. So according to this, after 12 years, this money will be able to become 8 times. So we have the time required is equal to 12 years. So after 4 years, this money becomes 2 times, and after 12 years, this money becomes 8 times.